My most memorable occasion, I guess, on the whole program, working with Lockheed, I was in the performance analysis section where we worked on all the airplanes that came through. And came time to try to get something going, I asked for transfer to ADP, which is the Advanced Development Project. Well, it took a while to get, he's mad at me, I guess. Keep talking. Anyway, I was assigned to ADP by our chief flight test engineer, Ernie Joyner, who wrote the papers transferring me. I went on from there and got up to the ranch, Watertown, what do you want to call it, Area 51. And before that, I had a hunch that this was something more than just a U-2, because those guys, the area people that I was working with, worked in the same hangar I did, but they had a closed-off section. Anyway, I went over to see Bert McMasters, who was the one of the chief aerodynamicists, to show me what this thing looked like. And he took me out to the building 309, which is a great big 3-story hangar where these things were built. Walked me in the door and said, look and see what this thing is. And you walk in there, and here's this thing pointing at me. It's an all-titanium type fuselage with a sort of a wing on the back end. But the thing that impressed me most right then was the nose of the thing, looking right at me, and these chines, which are the front structure on the fuselage. Now, I knew something about supersonic airplanes, and the chines were the absolute solution to how you create stability with a supersonic airplane without having what they call canards, which are small wings that are put on the front end of a supersonic airplane to keep it stable when it goes supersonic. These chines were the most impressive thing I'd ever seen.